This is my secret salsa recipe for your eyes only. Hi, thanks for watching. This is Cook with Vanna, and I'm gonna show you my secret, don't tell anybody, salsa recipe that is addictive. People go nuts for this. So this is how it is. It's very simple to make it. You just wanna get a couple of tomatoes. The juicier the tomato, the better. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're just gonna blend it in the blender. And just when you're blending your salsa, you could use a Cuisinart if you want to have it like be extra chunky. But if you're using a blender, you're just gonna pulse it so it doesn't get too watery, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and put in our 2 large tomatoes at the bottom. Then we're gonna follow that up with a jalapeno. So 1 fresh jalapeno with the seeds. And again, just cutting it into chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect again, just wanna get that in. Next is 3 garlic cloves. So you can put more or less. Garlic actually helps preserve the salsa. So if you plan to keep it in the refrigerator for a little bit longer, then add the garlic. I definitely wouldn't preserve this longer than like maybe 4 to 5 days. So, and then we're gonna use the juice of 2 limes. So we're just gonna open up the limes. And then we're gonna add in the juice. Okay, that's 1 lime. Sometimes I stick a fork in the lime and it helps me to like really extract the juice. Okay. Or you can use a knife, you know, just helps you to really get everything out. Oh, almost got my eye. Okay. All right. So just to recap, we got 3 garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 2 whole limes, half a bunch of cilantro with the stems. They have a lot of flavor. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of sea salt. Sometimes I like to put in a little bit of honey and it helps kind of balance out the sour. Okay, so you could do that. Whenever you want something to taste good, you want it to be sweet, salty, soury. Sweet, salty, savory, and sour. And that touches all the palate of the tongue and it makes you think, ooh, this tastes good. So, and then this is the secret ingredient, which is chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. So you can buy this at any grocery store in the ethnic department. It usually comes in a can, but once you buy it in the can, make sure you transfer it into a glass and save it. And then you're just gonna put one of those and then some of the juice, that adobo juice that goes there along with it. That's it, guys. We're just gonna pulse it and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Enjoy your salsa. Screenshot the recipe so you can recreate in your own kitchen. And for more amazing fresh recipes, visit Cook with Vanna on YouTube. Thanks.